Hey guys, Zach from Zach's GT Garage here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dome light in your 1999 through 2004 Ford Mustang. Whether you're replacing the original halogen bulb or if you're upgrading to LEDs, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So here's what the original halogen dome lights look like. They are bulb 578. So now that we're in the car, let me show you how to take this cover plate off so that way you can get to the dome light. So on the back here, there's a little lip that you pull down, and then there's little prongs for hooks that you just line up, and just be very careful because it's very easy to break. So make sure you are very careful on removing it, and that's what it looks like right here. We'll just set this over here off to the side, and then right up here is the dome light right here. Now you can see I have LEDs up there in the map lights, but I decided just to leave those in. There was an LED in there as well before, but it almost was like it was too much because every time the door was open, it would constantly flicker and it was just really irritating. So I went ahead and just got new bulbs for it. And here's what the light looks like. And now let me show you how the bulb goes in and also how it comes out. So over here on the side, you can see there's these like little two prongs that kind of look like clips that go on like a fuel line. And it may not look like that to you, but it kind of looks like that to me. So let me show you what the LED looks like that was in my Mustang. So this is it on the left, obviously. And I don't know what was going on with it, but it just kept constantly flickering. So I just decided to get the regular halogen stock bulb for it. So let's go ahead and put the bulb in, and just make sure you're really careful. Make sure those prongs are connected on the light. And it's easier to do with two hands instead of just one hand. But you should hear it kind of click in, and just kind of make sure that it all works. Make sure the map lights come on. Yep. Oop, that was bright. So now let's go ahead and put the light cover back on. You want to make sure these clear corners are lined up with the map lights. Now when you're doing this, make sure you put the little clips in correctly so that way they don't break off. And you just want to be really careful. And when you put it in place, you'll hear that click right there, that little click. And then go ahead, open your door, make sure it works. And there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like, if you want to see more videos. And we'll see you guys next time.